Okay, these solder splices are very easy to use. Turn around and make sure your quarter strip on each wire. Make sure that the wire section's inserted in the solder area. Take both wires, insert them so that both of the sections are inside there. As you can see, this one's in there and that one is in there. Okay, hold it stationary. Take your heat gun, it's gonna get loud for a second. Take your heat gun and hit the ends of it so that they melt a little bit. They'll actually grip down on the wire, which will help keep the thing stationary when you do the solder point. Okay. The red bands or colored bands represent what size they are. And in this case, just keep it stationary. Once you get the ends done, turn around and start applying heat to the center section where the solder is. And you'll see the solder starting to melt and flow. I'm doing this inside a wheel well, so it's kind of tight. You want to make sure you don't burn it. Okay, that's enough right there. The solder is melted. And just hold it stationary until it actually turns around and gets solid. Very easy to use, waterproof, as long as you don't scorch or burn them. And that's it. That's pretty much a solder joint. There you go.